Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Peter Fisner from the Screen Protector. How you doing, guys? So, parts came for my hot air station. Few items came to the repair, for a repair. Hopefully I can fix my hot air so I can, do some job. But before showing any of those works, I need to do some other stuff. I can tell you only one thing. I need to order battery for this. I will have just an electric screwdriver, you can call it. And I've got that ice transform. Look. Oh, that's heavy. That's from microwave. So yeah, we will have some fun with that later on. But in today's episode, we will tackle the problem of the iMac. iMac came, I'll put it on this chair here. iMac came several hours ago. Now, it came with this white cable, and the whole problem. Oh, this model don't have on the right, on the left, so I was wrong. You could hear the sound, the chime, yes? You could hear the chime sound. But you can see the problem. It's looking like an LVDS problem. I will open it. Yes, I will open it. I will check the connector. If the connector is wrong, unfortunately I won't be able to help this customer straight away, and this customer will have to wait, because I will have to order the connector for the LVDS signal. I need to check as well the cable. Maybe the cable will be wrong as well. From what I see here is that either somebody have done it, because the way it's looking, if you would look at the Northridge Fix repairs, yes, YouTube channel, Alex is showing on a number of videos how to fix iMacs. And if you watch them, even not for years, but you watch them just recently, let's say you can go now and watch, you will see that there are several problems which are repeating. And this fits perfectly to the LVDS issue. So, because we've got a chime sound, that means we know that the 4 diodes which are on the main board has to go on properly. Yes, so diode number 1 is a power comes to the main board, 2 is power on, 3 is this graphic card boot up. So if I will open and I will see that there is an issue with a 3rd diode, I will automatically know that there might be further issues. So even if I will fix the LVDS problem, which somebody maybe could cause that, because I assume that this problem wouldn't just suddenly show up, but somebody did something to the LVDS connector or the cable or both, then we will know what to do. Yes. But if there's a graphic problem, I will have to take out anyway the whole board, and I will have to either change the graphics, or I will have to at least use a hot air station and just reflow, hopefully not reball, but just reflow the connections underneath the soldering. Yes. So that's what I'm going to do, but for you to understand the problem. Yes. So again, you can go to the Northridge Fix YouTube channel. You can watch Alex, because he got the best, I think. Maybe Louis Rossmann has more videos, but me myself, I was watching on Northridge Fix those issues, and then those issues which I had here were the same what Northridge Fix had. So that's why I'm talking about this. On Louis Rossmann, I was more into the other equipment than iMacs, but it's okay. It's electronics are electronics. I'll take it apart and we will see what's wrong. Yes, because I don't have hot air yet, I need to first fix my hot air, and without fixing hot air, I can't proceed with this repair. But we can diagnose it and at least see what's wrong with the equipment. So you know what? I gave you the knowledge, what can be wrong. You've seen what's wrong. So maybe we can do part 2. Yes, again, for those who have missed that, see vertical lines, yes, and the white, which screen came out. If screen came out, I wouldn't call it a graphics issue. I would only call it an LVDS issue, yes, because the white came, it didn't spread across the display, so it would have to be LVDS connector. If no, that would mean the screen. Yes, so I would say it's not a display issue, it's more of an LVDS. But I'll need to open it and check it out. So yeah, you can fingers crossed for this customer. What I can tell you from updates, the next video I'll be doing, it will be fixing the hot air station probably, because I need to fix it like really quickly. Came things for the soundbar, Sony soundbar. So that one will be to be fixed as well. Something else came for some other device, I think for some laptop, but they don't have hot air station, so I can't do it. And there is an LG TV with nice LED backlights for the room to change colors. If you remember those series, I remember them from 10 years back. But yeah, that's it. So I need to diagnose it as well today. So we've got this, we've got LG, we've got my hot air station for today. So today is the 4th or 5th. Okay, so you will see this video on the 6th, and I will be recording each and every day as it was in the past. Hopefully my hot air can be fixed, and I should get new hot air. But unfortunately, Envy is delivering the old Hermes. I don't know the new name, and they are taking their time so it's still showing at their local depot, and they are not dropping it off since the 3rd. So yeah, that's it in this episode. Now you've got new knowledge about what can go wrong in this example. See you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.